Did you know there's a type of gold so delicate that a single accidental sneeze could literally blow away thousands of dollars? Welcome to the mesmerizing world of traditional Japanese gold leaf processing, where gold sheets are flattened to just 0.00001 millimeters thin, thousands of times thinner than a single strand of your hair. Let's dive in and explore the fascinating process of how artisans create a metal so impossibly thin it can actually be eaten as a luxury dessert. To kick things off, stubborn solid gold chunks are tossed into a tiny ceramic pot and blasted with extreme heat until they surrender into a glowing soup. After being poured into a rectangular mold for a well-deserved break, the hot liquid cools and transforms into a gloriously thick, shiny golden brick. From there, a heavy rolling press relentlessly squishes the thick golden block, stretching it into a fabulously long, paper-thin ribbon. Next up, an artisan snips this golden noodle into tiny squares, carefully sandwiching each piece between sheets of tough, specialized pounding paper to prepare for the ultimate smashing session. With everything set, the craftsman unleashes the very first round of pounding to flatten the metal measuring roughly 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter into delicate pieces known as gold leaf. Armed with trusty bamboo tweezers, the artisan then carefully pinches each tiny golden square and drops it perfectly into the dead center of the pounding paper. But how do these delicate golden squares survive the brutal machinery? The secret lies in a superpowered paper, and creating it is an even crazier journey than melting the metal. First, the sheets are neatly stacked, heavily beaten by a specialized paper pounding machine, and then squished tightly under a massive weight. Because of this intense workout, the paper becomes remarkably thinner and much tougher. Immediately after, the artisans carefully peel every single sheet apart to prevent them from stubbornly sticking together under all that extreme pressure. To achieve this legendary toughness, creating the ultimate pounding paper requires a mandatory ash bath. The craftsman mixes burnt straw ash with boiling water. Once the murky liquid is filtered, it gets a special boost from a sticky mixture of tree sap and lime water. Subsequently, every single sheet takes a deep dive into this muddy potion. Once completely soaked, the artisan grabs a sturdy wooden stick to ruthlessly squeeze every drop of moisture right out of the paper. Finally, the thoroughly wrung-out sheets are carefully peeled apart one by one and laid out flat to air dry. Once the paper is fully prepped, the artisan puts on adorable tiny leather finger hats and uses a specialized cutting tool to carefully slice the delicate gold into perfect 1 micrometer thin squares. Following this, the craftsman gently picks up each golden piece and tucks it precisely into the dead center of the tough paper, building a highly valuable tower of alternating paper and precious metal. And now, brace yourself for the most breathtaking smash festival, where the precious metal will be completely transformed. The heavy-duty pounding machine unleashes a rapid-fire attack, successfully flattening the trapped gold inside to a ridiculously thin size of 1/10,000th of a millimeter. After surviving the extreme workout, the craftsman acts as a very precise hairdresser, meticulously trimming away the messy edges of the ultra-thin gold to create perfectly beautiful squares. Consequently, these freshly trimmed golden squares are gently transferred onto individual backing papers, stacked up neatly and wrapped snugly in a protective cover. Ultimately, the golden journey reaches its dazzling destination. Skilled artisans apply a special magic glue to the intricate wooden carvings of a massive temple. Using soft cotton puffs, they gently press the delicate gold foil deep into every tiny wooden groove, instantly transforming plain old wood into a brilliantly shining masterpiece. But wait, this featherweight golden foil is not just reserved for giant architectural masterpieces. Nimble-fingered artists also meticulously dress up statues, intricate lace decorations. Crystal clear glass cups, and even fancy writing pens with these little gilded squares. In the end, whatever this ridiculously thin metal decides to hug instantly transforms into pure, sparkling magic.